Hello, my name is Larvin and I'm an Executive Vice President of PEMANDU Associates. I just recently completed a 2-hour training with the delegates from Uzbekistan from the Project Management Department. And so what I shared with them was our 8-step methodology, specifically into how we prioritize national priorities, national agenda, and then how we conduct labs to then drill down those national priorities into detailed actionable items. As far as I know, the government of Uzbekistan do not really have a specific vision or a strategy document, so I think it was beneficial for them to understand how different countries do it. I also shared a little bit of what we've done in Malaysia and all the other parts of the world, and I hope that in the next couple of months we'll get invited to Uzbekistan for our turn to learn on what they have done in their monitoring and evaluation department. Thank you.